Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Emma and I'm here in the Maldives, and today I will show you how to use the very profitable strategy and trade with Microsoft OTC. So today we're going to use only one chart and it is very good. That means that we will be able to use our strategy to apply all the skills that we have acquired to find the very profitable situations. And right now you remember my strategy, how I usually work. That's why I recommend you to watch this video up to the end. It's gonna be very interesting. Hi guys, so today we're going to trade with only one asset. It's called Microsoft OTC. So it means that we will work out all the situations on one chart. And I'm reminding you that I'm using 15 seconds time frame. And for me, it is very convenient, it is very informative, and I'm gonna open a trade from 1 to 5 minutes depending on the situation. So this is the support and resistance levels, uptrends and downtrends, and other situations on the market. So I really recommend you to watch this video up to the end. Maybe you will like this way of trading and you will also make it your own efficient way to make money. So here I want to open a trade up for 1 minute because I can see the resistance level at the top, and we can also notice the price approach this level and is going beyond that. So here we can see the impulsive green candlesticks. So on this upward movement I want to make profit, and I really think that it's gonna work this way. So we got to the impulsive movement up into this breakthrough movement, and as it usually happens, 1 minute is perfectly enough for that. So right on this moment we will try to make money. Now let's wait for the end of this trade. So guys, that is very good. As you can see, the price is going higher and higher. So we got the amazing profit, and 1 minute was perfectly enough for that. So we've just made money on the breakthrough of the resistance level. So this situation is very good, and we can find the similar ones and work them out. But we can see there is another movement higher, and after that we can see the red candlestick forming. So let's open a trade down for 1 minute. And I think that after this one-way movement and also the breakthrough, the price will get to the retracement and we will see the pullback in the opposite direction. So we will see the correction movement here. And I want to make profit on this situation, and as it usually happens, I have seen it many times, 1 minute is enough for that. Let's watch what's gonna happen very soon. So guys, it is very good because you can see the price continue moving down. We can see the impulsive movements down. So that is amazing, and it brought me the profit. So very good start. Let's continue and find another situation. And also guys, remember that you can always join my private chat. Send me the code word private to my personal Telegram messages, Emma Miller 03. There you will find the free trading signals, and you will also find another useful and interesting information. All the links in the description. I'm waiting for you. So guys, I decided to wait a little, and I can see that there's a high chance to open a down trade here. So this is the resistance level at the top, and we can also notice the very good upward movement. The price has approached this level. After that there was the pull back down. We can see the red candlesticks forming. So here we understand that from the resistance level there has been direction. The price bounced from it and moves down. So on this correction movement I want to make profit, and I hope that this time of 1 minute will be also enough for this situation. So guys, it is very interesting because price really continued moving down and we got the profit here. So as you can see from the resistance level there was direction, and we can see the gap. It is the gap between the candlesticks actually. It means that this is the very good one-way impulsive movement, and it means that the resistance level is quite strong. That means that the movement from this level is also strong in the opposite direction, and we have seen it on the chart. Let's continue with another situation. And also guys, I'm reminding you to like this video and subscribe to the channel and write your comments. Write anything you supposed to be interesting and useful. Ask your questions and offer your topics for the next videos. So guys, here we can see the support level. Let's work with that. We also have the downward movement on the chart. The price has been moving lower, approaching this level line. And there is room towards this level. That means that I can open a trade down for 3 3 minutes due to this downward movement, because I think that very soon the price will be moving lower and lower and we will make money on this movement. So 3 minutes time is also with the reserve, because there can be the flat zone or the pullback up, because actually after the one-way movement the price will get direction, will get to this retracement movement, and after that there will be the movement down to the level. That's why I have chosen the time for 3 minutes. Let's check what's gonna happen very soon. So guys, it is very interesting because price continued moving down and we can notice the price is breaking the level through. The price has this amazing downside potential and we've made money here. So this situation is very good and I think it is a very good continued moment. So you already started your trading career but you don't know where to trade. I can offer you two options, Pocket Option or Quadex platform. So these are my partners. I trust them very much because they are licensed and they are verified. You'll find the links in the description and I also added the promo code for you, 50% deposit bonus for your deposit, first deposit. So use it, use everything, use every bonuses for yourself because you're a beginner, and start trading successfully. So guys, here we can see the resistance level and we're going to work with it, and we can also notice the very confident upward movement. So the green candlesticks, very impulsive ones. The price has been approaching this level, so let's work with 1 minute down trade. Let's wait for the price to touch this level line, and in this moment we will open a down trade. So guys, here we can see I've opened a down trade because the price touched this level line. So there's a high chance that after the impulsive movement from the resistance level there will be the reaction and the price will get to the correction zone. We will see the pullback in the opposite direction. So here I will try to make profit, and as it usually happens, it usually works, and usually for 1 minute. So I hope it's gonna work this time. Let's watch it. So guys, it is very good because you can see after the false breakthrough there was the pullback down, the red candlestick. So we made money here, and this situation is very interesting. So we've prognosed everything correctly and the price moved according to our scenario. So let's continue with another situation. So guys, after a while we can see that after the pullback down the price reversed and again approaching the resistance level. So right now we can see the price is squeezing this level, and I can notice that the price lows are becoming higher. So primarily the price has been trending up, so let's open a trade up for 2 minutes due to this upward movement actually, and I think that the price will be moving up to the level, and it's quite possible that this level will be broken through, and right on this movement we will try to make profit. So 2 minutes time is with the reserve because we can see the price moves in zigzag way. We can see slight bounces down, and I can see that all these movements. That's why I've chosen this very time. Let's check it. So guys, it is very interesting because price really continued moving up and we got it broken. So these are very impulsive green candlesticks, and 2 minutes time were enough for that. So we made money here as well. Everything is very good. Let's continue with another situation. So let's analyze what we got here. This is the very confident uptrend occurring. So when we can see that at the top, this is the resistance level and there is a room towards it. It means that this is our playground. Let's open a trade up for 3 minutes due to this upward movement, because we can see the very good upside potential. The price will probably move up to the level, and on this movement we will try to make a very good profit. I hope that this time will be enough. Let's check what's gonna happen here. So guys, it is very interesting because price really continues moving to their level and we got the profit here. So we've made money on this uptrend, and 3 minutes time were enough for that. Let's continue with another situation. So guys, here we can see that after the resistance level there was the pullback down, and after that price reversed and again approaching this level line. So here we can see there is a room towards it. That's why let's open a trade up for 3 minutes due due to this upward potential. So this is a very good playground. The price lows are updating, becoming higher. So this means that there's a high chance the price will continue moving up, and on this movement we will try to make profit. So let's check what's gonna happen very soon. So guys, it is very good because after the slight pullback down, the price continued moving higher. We got the profit here, so we've made profit, and 3 minutes time helped us very much. So my deposit is $11,000 and I want to finish here. Let's take the profits and leave the market. So all the citations for today, we were searching for the citations on one chart, Microsoft OTC. I've spent 1 hour and a little bit more for it all day session. I found working citations that I know the best, and my strategy helped me in this citation. So the session just proved the fact that all the citations always repeat themselves, and they are worked out the similar way actually, and you need to gain this trading experience and you will be able to recognize these citations yourself. That's why it is very important to trade, the more the better. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been useful and interesting to you, and now you feel motivated enough to try that yourself. And you remember that you can always ask me lots of questions in my private chat. You will find the links in the description and in the comments under this video. So guys, you can trade with Microsoft OTC, then return to my video and leave your feedback about it. So wish you all the best, wish you good luck, and see ya in the next video.